Let's make Erik the Redgroni. We are going to stir this drink, and I'm going to start with my rum. 1 ounce of the Alander Nordic spiced rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Jigger. 1 ounce of Aperol. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of Dolan dry vermouth. If you don't have Dolan and want to use another white or dry vermouth, feel free to do so. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Put your jigger back, add your ice, and give it a stir. I am going to let this sit just a moment while I get a fancy ice cube. Fancy ice cube, courtesy of the silicone molds from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. Give me a moment while I get this out of here. Success! I'm going to put that in the glass, and this glass is from my friend Dan Geisbauer, who is Whenesota. I'll link his channel down below in case you're interested in any Minnesota sports history. But what I'm going to do now is strain that into the glass over the ice. And this may be an oversized glass for it, but I just wanted to use the glass. And garnish. Twist of orange. Wish me luck. Oh, that went very well. Express, wipe, and drop. And there you have it, the Erik the Redgroni. Drink with good spirits.